All three of you have, correct me if I'm wrong, have worked internationally, worked with friends from all around the globe. I had conversations with friends with all around the globe as well. Patience, as an entrepreneur, as somebody, even as a CEO, even if you haven't founded the company, even as a CEO, त्यो patience चाहिँ हाम्रोमा अलिक कम हो कि यो मलाई मात्र त्यस्तो फिल भयो कि ट्राई गर्ने यति समय दिन्छु म आफूलाई भएन भने मसँग अप्सन बी सी डी छ भनेर हैन I am not a believer in option B, C, D. I'm a believer in option A and then punching through it. To my belief, my personal opinion. Patience ko hisab se where do we stand? Like, just give me a fair enough idea on this.
I'll agree with you. Especially when it comes to starting a business and to paisa बनाउनेमा there's probably a couple of reasons. एउटा त अब सुरुमा त फ्यामिलीबाट अङ्कल आन्टी फ्रेन्ड्सहरूबाट पैसा ल्याएको हुन्छ then you have that pressure कि यिनीहरूको and they don't understand that
it doesn't happen overnight.
Yeah, making a business takes time, धेरै time लाग्छ and then you don't make returns just because you're selling stuff. मैले यो प्रोडक्ट बनाएर मैले बेच्ने बित्तिकै मैले प्रफिट बनाइसकेको छैन to give them back. They'll say तिमीहरूको त I'm seeing you everywhere and people are using your products but where's my money? So one is that pressure that comes from them. अर्को चाहिँ what you said about options, the availability of options is what I think makes them impatient. किनभने यो गर्छु यो गरेन मेरो यो त छँदै छ नि भन्ने त्यो छ हैन. So as soon as you have that second option you're like you can't wait to get over this because if it's doing great fine, if it's अलिकति hurdles अलिकति त्यो गाह्रो हुने बित्तिकै त्यो त्यो छ त्यो सजिलो होला कि जुन त्यो grass is greener on the other side वाला टाइप छ हैन त्यो and like you said, not keeping that option for yourself will probably make you want to work harder at what you have and try and make it a success. Sometimes but I think that impatience comes from the fact that there's an option that you can fall back on or you can do something else. यो भएन त्यो गर्छु यहाँ चल्यो भने म अमेरिका गइदिन्छु अस्ट्रेलिया गइदिन्छु सो त्यो त्यसले गर्दा पनि I think there's impatience, but we see that in a lot of entrepreneurs also. अर्को चाहिँ because they've हामीले त अब Shark Tank and India को unicorn स्टोरिजहरू सुन्छौँ नि त सधैँ USA मा यत्रो valuation भयो company all that. So there is that आतुर हुँदो रहेछ कि entrepreneurहरूलाई कि I've started making revenues. And maybe I'm in another 2-3 years I should be making profits, but I'm making revenue and I've done very well in terms of पोहोर साल 1 करोड गएको थियो अहिले 4 करोड गएको छु हैन. In 3 years I've gone from 1 to 8, 7, which is amazing jump, but you're still not making profits हैन. So त्यसमा चाहिँ उनीहरूलाई त्यो म अहिले चाहिँ VC वा P ल्याउँछु वा के गर्छु अनि उनीहरूले पैसा दिन्छ and then हुन्छ नि म भ्याल्यु आउँछ मेरो हैन एटलिस्ट अन पेपर भ्याल्यु आउँछ. सो त्यो पनि अलिकति आतुर हुँदो रहेछ.
Thank you very much for watching us on YouTube. Make sure that you also listen to us on Spotify.